I've been president and CEO, I'm on my 17th year, this October it'll be 18 years. I was a career mortgage banker and spent 29 years in the mortgage banking industry when my then 18-year-old daughter came down with leukemia, and she began a 4-year fight for her life. And during that period of time, she received chemotherapy, and blood donors kept her alive for nearly 4 years. She was very passionate about blood donation because she knew donors here in the Central Valley were keeping her alive.
Basically save lives. Everybody needs blood. Whether it's for a surgery or a gunshot or whatever it might be, everybody needs blood. Basically just saves lives. Everybody that can donate should donate. I don't know why they don't. They should.
The thing that I'll miss the most is number one, the camaraderie of people that work here that have bought into the mission, to Jenny's legacy, that have bought into the need to provide blood. And these people are wonderful, dedicated individuals that come alongside. We're a nonprofit, so not necessarily are they getting paid the most. They could be making more somewhere else, and yet they have the same passion. And I'll miss that. I'll miss that camaraderie.